Hello, and welcome to Connecting Software in Action. In today's video, we're excited to give you a live demonstration of one of our premier synchronization solutions, Secure Sync for Google Drive and SharePoint. With Secure Sync for Google Drive and SharePoint, you can securely synchronize or even migrate files and folders between SharePoint and Google Drive across Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. By maintaining synchronized, up-to-date data in both environments, your organization becomes more resilient to outages. For this demonstration, I'll be working with two locations: SharePoint Document Library, hosted in SharePoint Online via Office 365. Google Drive, provided by Google Workspace. In this example, you can see that the two locations are already in sync. The solution is paused now, but before we start the sync, let's create a folder and add some files there. And now let's start the sync. As we can see, the solution detected and synchronized the items that got created while the sync was not running. With the synchronization running, any changes made to either location will instantly reflect on the other. Let's try it out. I'll rename this folder in Google Workspace. Upload a file to the root folder in SharePoint. As we could see, all the changes were synced both ways. What's great about our solution is that it operates on a server-to-server basis. This means there's nothing to install on your local devices, no client applications to manage. Whether your team prefers any browser, like Chrome or Edge, or they use a file explorer, they continue to benefit from real-time synchronization seamlessly in the background. It's truly a configure-and-go solution, which you can host securely in your own environment, which could be cloud or local. While detailed administration is covered in another video, I'd like to quickly show you how easy it is to set up a sync pair in just 3 steps. 1. Connect to your SharePoint and Google Workspace. You can connect to SharePoint using modern authentication and choose either client credentials or authorization code flow as the way to connect. For your Google Workspace, you need the JSON key and the email address. 2. Create a sync pair and specify exactly what you'd like to synchronize. You'll first indicate the sync pair, that is, the two servers participating in the sync. You can also choose to include metadata and permissions. Next, you'll define the sync type. For example, first to second means a one-way sync from the first server to the second. You can indicate whether you want to sync all items or just items from a specific path, and from which date onward you want to sync. The polling interval determines how often we check for new changes. For example, a 120-second polling interval means we look for changes every 2 minutes. 3. Start the synchronization process. Secure Sync for Google Drive and SharePoint offers robust features, including filtering, permission sync, metadata sync, and more. This solution is ideal for a variety of situations, such as zero downtime migration, effortlessly sync files from SharePoint/Microsoft 365 to Google Workspace, or vice versa. Centralized access and management of distributed documents. Bring together documents from various SharePoint servers and Google Drives to one central location that could be either SharePoint or Google Drive. Business continuity and backup. Maintain uninterrupted access to content, protect against data loss, and guarantee readiness for any scenario. Secure Sync for Google Drive and SharePoint is packed with powerful features and built for maximum flexibility. If you'd like a personalized demonstration tailored to your business needs, don't hesitate to contact us at office@connecting-software.com. We're always here to help you find the best solution. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you streamline your synchronization needs.